We're here at the PNC building here in downtown Bloomington.
I think you bought one of those buttons.
Yeah, I bought one of these buttons. Just wait until what we have in here. We got Vector. Traction. Wow. That's what I do. Montgomery Vector traction. This is cool. Hey, let's go back up two. It's a nice elevator. They still have this push-up citizen stickers. Let's go back down to one. Vector traction. This is so cool. There's a 988 phone. It's very interesting. Look at these buttons. Amazing elevator. Up down here. Look at that. Very cool. Three-story Montgomery Vector traction. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.